Hi mga beshies, this is your host Nav and welcome back sa Usap Tayo. For today's live, we have a special guest from UPOU. May hint na ba kayo kung sino siya? Without further ado, let's welcome Mr. Ivan Lloyd R. Calano. Thank you for inviting Mr. Nav. I'm really happy to be here. We're also glad na pumayag ka for this podcast and bago ang lahat, magpakilala ka muna. Hello everyone, my name is Ivan Lloyd R. Calano, 17 years old, living in Santa Cruz, Manila. Alright, wag na natin patagalin pa at umpisahan na natin sa ating first segment, ang Q&A. For our Q&A, we have gathered 3 questions for you and all you have to do is sagutin siya with honesty. Ready ka na ba? Game na, of course. For our first question, can you state 4 things about yourself? 4 things about me. First, I love taking pictures of scenery. Second, I love to watch and read Boys Loves content. Third, I'm a talkative person. And yung pang-apat siguro, I love to listen to music, especially Nicki songs. Love it! Being honest talaga. So, for our next question, what comes to your mind when you hear the word theory? For me, it's a discovery, ideas, and observation. Nice answer naman. Kaya ang ating last question ay academic related din. Can you share 2 things that you hope to learn in the course MMS 102? First, I want to know what is multimedia on its early age. And second, siguro, I want to know the discoveries in multimedia in today's era. There you have it, Beshies. Ivan Lloyd Orcolano from UPOU. Umpisa pa lang yan, so stay tuned. Magbabalik kami after the break.